Bahala kayo dyan.
Malaking space.
Malaking space sa gitna.
Mga dyan, Angeline, kasama ko ito, one of the students here in the esteemed faculty. Kuya, I want to know your name and from what department are you?
Boaz Gonzalo from Medical Technology.
Meron ka bang gustong batiin dito sa audience?
Shout out sa crush ko,
Binabati ko yung mga taga-1 EMT.
But I look for you everywhere. I had to.
You did not. You were too ashamed to admit that you love me, and now it's too late.
Wait. Vincent, relax siya.
Alright, pag pinapatong-patong natin sila, we call this canonical structure class.
Wild versus man. Man versus wild? Man versus... Screenshot ko na lang. Hindi ko maganyan eh. Nakapindot na nga. Ang baba guys, ang baba. We all squatting. Dali, dali. Ayun! Naya pa kayo magpa-picture. Hi! Makeup. Guys, new hair si Nasa. Walang collarbone si Boaz. Disclaimer! We can use this term to break up the bubbles. So protective glass na tayo.
I'm afraid.
Nagawa mo na yung homework? Yeah.
Ano yun?
Yeah! Oh my gosh, I want to take a video
better and would not decay.
Okay? So, olfactory receptors.
Ay, sabi ni Sir, dapat
Hi guys! So today we finished.
It's finished! Ano? Circumcision?
Let's go, Dad! Let's go, Dad!
Oh, tinalo ako ni Boss.
Straight, ikaw, may paglaban ka?
2, 3, 3.
Kamay mo! Out yan! Sorry.
Shout out sa mama ko, tsaka sa papa ko, tsaka sa mama mo. Maganda ako.
Shout out sa crush ko!
Yung crush ko taga-kabilang table.
I love you, sir! Hi, sir!
Shout out sa crush ko,
Oh my God! Lasing!
Ooh, I have your test paper. I'm really sorry about that. But apparently 2 plus 2 isn't equal to 5. What the heck? Number 3 is not E.
Oh look, more notes.
Oh wow.
That's a lot of notes.
Yeah, it is. It's so many laws.
Yeah,
wow.
look at that. There's 3 laws.
Sa likod, meron pang isang doon na
What's good, YouTube?
Sino crush mo ngayon, Boaz?
Hindi, siya pa rin.
Oh, narinig din. NH2 and COOH. Gets? Kala ko ba COO negative? Wait, there are 2 options. Okay. Are you guys single?
Ready to mingle. Mayday!
Okay.
SpongeBob Chinese! Fab 6, why? I just got this new outfit from you last week. Why do I look good there?
Because of the lighting. No, because your pen.
Sa pananunan namin to sa dice game.
Jowa ko nga pala.
Wait, kailan lang sinabi?
At our age.
Close up mo yung face!
Hoy, huwag malapit! Yung pimples ko! Baka ma-slide kasi! Ayan, my God.
Ang lapit pa ng mukha ko, no?
Itlog. Uy, ang ganda!
We're trying out the new rice bowls.
Para daw siya ng nanay niya.
Thank you po.
This was the normal.
Happy Valentine's! I lost one of my ribbons. Pero pag concerts, never ako maayos sumigaw. Look at the balloons. Happy Valentine's, Kate! Boas, Nats! Happy Valentine's!
Nuts, nagkakalat!
Not gonna hook up sa Shakey's. So guys, it's Valentine's Day.
Yes, Valentine's.
Tapos si Kate, ay si Chris, may bibigay kay Kate or 2 things. Tapos magsuspectate ka yun, magsuspy ka.
Spy ka na spy.
No, wag ka. Nandito.
Vlog.
Why are you here?
Guys, ano ba kami ngayon? Nagba-vlog.
Wiwi. Ito, paparazzi?
Nice Kate. Bawas ko ano?
Uy, gago pa rin.
Si Mon! Computer class.
Wala daw quiz.
Kate.
Wait, I'm playing!
Jin. Computer class ended early and there wasn't a quiz. Yay! I love these people.
Akala ko picture. I'm being taken by the wind.
We're waiting for our friends. I don't know.
Aren't they
Kanina pa
like-
tayo nandito.
Guys, today we're vlogging and my picture.
There are our friends. Hey!
Alam mo, Caitlyn, sabi mo yung nanay mo, ah.
Sa labas pala nag-galore, ah.
Ano ko
Guys, let's go home.
Guys, let's go home.
Yo!
Hindi naman napapansin na si. Sabi niya, sige, okay daw yun. Tapos, bigla na lang, sabi niya, ay, hindi tapos na ako. Sabi ko, hindi, umalis ka na!
So, kakagising lang ni Boaz.
Pangit niya. They put... Ano?
Ay!
Ay, yung too late shirt. Uy, hindi ka mo nakita na yung kung gano'n ako frustrated sa life. I'm so frustrated.
What's up, guys? So today we're at the chemistry lab and we're doing what we captured.
Hindi. May naiwan sa amin na konti. Nakita mo. Ayun o. Mahiwan daw na ganyan.
0.1.
Dr. Vince.
Sige, drop pa yun.
Guys, marunong na ba kayo?
No, hindi ko pa na-finish to. I'm gonna wear my glasses para mukhang matalino.
Exams are done.
Hindi nga. Iba nga.
Pen is talking about her crush.
No.
Hard in height-wise.
What?
Matangkad lang sila.
What's wrong with the bird?
Yung mga ano.
Saan yung ano na? Saan yung
What was his guilty card? What is that?
You held.
Oh my God.
Oh, yes.
Nagshabu siya.
Uy, nagshabu siya.
Boss, kasi ang kulit naman eh!
Hey, go!
Sabi mo kung takot ka din! Ayaw mo lapitan eh!
Tims! Maalala yung grade ko sa
Please. A form of discrimination. And so. And her personal life. Now to the third issue.
I deleted my vlogs because Ali kept mocking this, you know.
What? Ano? Hi.
Nasama pa sila.
Guys, so mag-wash sila ng wheat flour.
Ay! Nagulat ka pa!
Natapilok na naman.
Ba't ka matatapilok? Paano ka matatapilok dyan?
Kalay mo.
Sorry.
Funny talaga ka. Kasi so cute.
Ay, sorry.
Okay, guys. Why? What happened? Who owns this? Okay. I just want to talk.
You're not gonna post this on? No. Okay, so Toot said na matagal daw siya. Hindi nakaka-taste na. It's like, oh, but I thought you were a virgin.
Wait, who was she talking to?
Basta, okay. And then, there was someone behind this pala. So that's that. Hindi namin kaya mag-stall for this long. Honestly, they're so slow.
Look at them, look at them.
Oh my God,
ang bagal.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Starbucks tayo mag-release, diba?
Sige, saan ba yan?
Wala man sinabi si Pen na iinom tayo.
We will!
Ba't di ba kayo umaali? Ano ni boss? Kanina pa nakabook.
This plan is not going well.
Ilang speaker.
Sure, wait lang. Tignan mo yung...
Hi, Pen.
Hi guys, so today...
It's gonna be her birthday celebration.
Talaga si Sure, akala ko yung tatapat sa akin. Sabi ko,
She's gonna be 20 on Sunday. Oh, why are you sad?
It's 20 guys, 20.
But you don't look 20.
You look 30. Sure said I look grade 4. I don't look grade 4. She just looks kindergarten.
Hi, so we're going to the place. Hi, guys.
Tinext ko si Ali, okay? In case lang. Sabi ko, saan tayo magkikita, guys? Tapos sabi niya, wow! Sabi ko, ha? Anong wow?
Hi, guys. So we're here. Picture tayo kasama yung mga nahihilo.
Skate me!
Kala ko naiwan talaga.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to my...
Kasi ba talaga kayo ng mom ko?
Hello?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you! Yeah! Applause!
Kulay nga.
Ano mo sa ban? Inggan mo ang aking sa ilalim ng puting ilaw. Hayaan mo ba na maging ganon na lang?
I will never say never.
I will fight you forever. Make it right.
Gio, kamusta?
Wala ng boss.